Hello and welcome to POSAdvisors guide series for EncorePOS. My name is Billy, and today I'll be showing you around our inventory performance report. This report combines the features of the liquor POS quantities sold and stock status reports with a dash of forecasting and cost analysis added in. We'll start at the EncorePOS login screen. Click Login after entering your information. Once at the dashboard, click the Reports tab. Scroll to Inventory and select the Inventory Performance Report. To get started, in the Product Selection window, choose the group of products you'd like to see included in the report. You can choose the items by brand, description, vendor, department or type, and size. Next, set a time frame for historical data to be pulled. If you're running the report to get an accurate days to sell or days on hand number, we'd recommend you use a longer time frame, like 6 months to a year for the best results. Click Submit and give EncorePOS a moment to gather information. Once your items are available in the table, you have a lot of options on what to do next. You can find specific items with the search function, use the buttons at the bottom of the page if you'd like to change how many items are displayed per page or to navigate between pages. If you want to sort by specific columns, simply click the arrows next to a column head to change the sort order. You can remove columns from or add columns to your view by clicking this Toggle Columns button and selecting or deselecting from the drop-down list. Speaking of columns, most of them in this table are fairly self-explanatory, but I'd like to clarify a few for you that you might be interested in. Quantity sold is a measure of how many of that item has been sold in the time frame that you provided up here. Inventory cost represents the average cost of that item within the time frame selected. Days on hand is a forecast of how long it will take to sell the current inventory of an item based upon quantity on hand and quantity sold in this time frame. Whereas days to sell is how long it takes to sell one unit of an item based on quantity sold in the time frame. GMROI is gross margin return on investment. You can use all these numbers to stay on top of your inventory, keep up with the demand, and more accurately tune your purchasing. Now, if you see a series of 9s in either column, it means that you have not sold any of that item in the time frame that you provided. These numbers are not included in the totals at the bottom of the report and can be filtered out when you toggle on the columns. When you're finished adjusting the columns in the table, sorting, and browsing for information, you can choose to copy the table to your clipboard, export the table to an Excel document, a PDF, or send it straight to a printer. Click this button here to save the settings you made for this report to your Shortcuts tab and give it a name for quick and easy access. If you're finished with this report, click the red door button to return to the settings page, where you can make a new search or click Done to return to the Reports tab. If you clicked Save Settings, this is how you can get to that shortcut. That'll about do it for this video. Let us know what you thought and be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSadvisors. We'll have any related links and our support number all in the description down below, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.